Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school time from an Apple Watch. First, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, which is essential for managing your connected devices. Next, tap on all watches located at the top left of your screen, revealing a comprehensive list of all your linked devices. Then, select the specific watch managed through Family Setup that requires adjustment, ensuring you are on the correct profile. After selecting the desired watch, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to proceed to its main settings. Now, scroll down and locate the Family Watches section, which is where you will find the relevant controls. Tap on the name of the family member whose watch you are managing, then select Done once more to access their individual settings. This will bring you to the specific profile where you can make further changes. Within the family member's watch settings, scroll down until you see the school time option. You will notice a toggle switch next to it, which indicates whether the feature is currently active or inactive. To disable school time, simply tap this toggle switch, changing it from green to gray. This action immediately deactivates the scheduled school time restrictions on that specific Apple Watch. Once you have toggled school time off, ensure you tap Done at the top right of the screen to save your changes effectively. You can always confirm the feature is inactive by revisiting these settings and checking the toggle's status. If you ever need to re-enable school time, simply follow these same steps and turn the toggle back on. This ensures your changes are permanent and reflect your current preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.